There is a version of the legend of King Arthur, where young Arthur pulls a sword from a stone. And the sorcerer Merlin is a blacksmith, and young Arthur is a blacksmith's apprentice. And when I think about the magic of poetry, of teaching students to read, write, and perform poems, it is in this aspect, a master craftsman using tools that require practice and strength, aided by fire or passion, helping students learn to pull something as brilliant and fine as a poem from the dark matter of speech before it gets spoken into word. The reason I joined the Chicago Poetry Center is that I believe our teaching poets and our proven curriculum gives students the ability to see the world through the eyes of poetry, to explain their world through their own poems, and show and share their unique work with others. And that this creates a fluency with language, a comfort with self-expression, an ability to receive and appreciate the worlds and words shared by others that makes stronger students and more empathetic and compassionate humans.
I was a bit of a fixture, a bit of a groupie, let's say, at the all-school readings. And I think maybe what I was struck by was that poetry was accessible for every single kid. It didn't matter which school, it didn't matter their age, it didn't matter all the different other identifiers or identities that were close to them. Every kid could get up and share something amazing, share something meaningful, share something that was a reflection of who they are and how they see the world.
I support the Chicago Poetry Center because they do amazing things with the students here in Chicago Public Schools.
I'm grateful to be a part of the Chicago Poetry Center and to support our mission to connect people with poetry, equitably engage poets with the community, and foster creativity and literacy in schools. You want to be part of the world's better angels? Support poetry and the Chicago Poetry Center.